Thokozani. Ndlovukazi. 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 Nomkhubulwane. 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 Angwedi. Antu. Anomdudula. Aloli. Avusa amazulu. Imhotep. Thokozani. Ngiyavusela kumakhosi namakhosikazi anyathele ngaphakathi kwamagulube. Akunalutho makhehla kepha ngizobonga. Ngibonga nje ukuthi sisaphila. Sikhonile ukuthi sisurvive umlilo kaMbhidlizi. Umbhidlizi mekeza azobhidliza konke lokhu okungasekelwanga uma-art. Wasethola ukuthi hayi idlanzana bakhona abantu abasawuphethe uma-art. Manje ke ngicela ukuxolisa kakhulu makhehla ngoba namhlanje nifunge ningazimiselanga. Nifunge kuma-art namhlanje. Yonke lento beniphinda. Ngiyacela nje ukuthi ningayenzi. All the 42 laws beniphinda namhlanje. Please ningayenzi leyo nto leyo ngoba once you violate one of them, so fungile ngithi. Ngiyacela ukuthi noma kunzima kunjani sisemhlabeni ukuthiwa wona ngokubuka nangokukhuluma. Manje sisemhlabeni la vele sihlala sona khona. Yingakho in the near future sizoprinta ke lemithetho so that abantu bayihenge emabondweni. Before ulala urecite lemithetho. Mawuvuka urecite lemithetho. Ngoba yiyo imithetho that kept balance. Remember ukuthi balance, it's not only for the physical but for the spiritual as well. If ithina benyama, the physical people, singekho in that balance, we are tipping the balance of the whole universe. Ifana nani lento in terms of colonization of the mind. Once you remain colonized la emqondweni, we are not only messing up ourselves, we are messing the universe as well. Because awuvutheli ilanga. Ilanga wants us ukuthi si connect back to the source, which is in nature. Manje ke sizobonga indlovukazi namhlanje uma-art. Uma-art, remember ukuthi uma-art is part of Ra, Amun-Ra. Amun-Ra, when Amun-Ra emerged from the carbon soup before creation, he emerged with Jehuti no Ma'at. Meaning ukuthi when you hear a concept ukuthi kukhulunywa ngoNkulunkulu who is 3 in 1 and 1 in 3. Kukhulunywa ngomveli nqangi uMa'at no Jehuti. So it's all a package. Uma-art is not a separate principle on its own. Meaning ukuthi mawukhuluma ngoma-art ukhuluma ngomveli nqangi itself. Ngoba kuthiwa uhlala at the brow of umkhumbi kamveli nqangi. Meaning ukuthi uma-art no Jehuti, these are two important principles that represents a part of Ura, Amun-Ra, umveli nqangi. So manje ke sizohlonipha njengoba besikhuziwe vele ukuthi le igaba lezi as we move throughout the whole year kumele sihloniphe and sihloniphe kanjani. Meaning ukuthi thina esihamba ngalendlela yaseKhemu, we approach life intelligently. We are no longer following nje ebumnyameni. Siyazi ukuthi i prevalence of a certain energy resulta in what? That is very intelligent for us to actually understand that. Abantu, when we spoke about the danger that is coming, abantu they thought ukuthi siyakhuluma nje, sikhuluma ihaba, and it really happened. So what I want to emphasize ukuthi le miphahlo iyasebenza ungayidoubt. Ibukeka useless when we keep repeating lezinto. Kepha sishukumeza le mimoya engaphakathi kithina, which is connected to our etheric bodies. Remember ngithi sithe siphila in 3 levels, which is the causal and the astral and the physical. So manje the astral affects the physical. Whatever manifests in the physical, it starts in the astral. So manje that balance is very important. Remember ukuthi uset uye obhidliza all that needs to be broken. So uma-art remember, uma-art ubuyisela izinto the way zingakhona. So ingakho sila namhlanje sizocela, as much as this is a lecture, kepha kuwumkhuleko esiwenza kulamadlozi ethu ukuthi vele njengoba sicula lengoma ukuthi sicela inkosi isipha amandla kulobunzima esikubo singama Africa. Ngoba it is very strange ukuthi we must find ourselves in this position in our own country, where we have to ukuthi sincenge sicele ukuphila and fully express who we are as African people. It has never happened in any country. It's only in Africa where you see this stupidity. Angazi ubula obunjani lobu bama leaders ethu who are still trapped in that colonial mindset. The residue of a colonial mindset is abaphethe labantu, and they claim to be leading us. So which is very important ukuthi sicele ngoba thina uyakhumbula sathi isibhamu sethu, i-atomic bomb yethu yilo moya. Asidinge ibhamu thina ukulwa lempi yethu. All we have to do is to deposit every day. Siloko siphahla si deposit kulo moya. Lo moya finally uyasphendula, as we have seen. Siyidlanzana labantu. Remember ukuthi thina we are not a political party. We don't go out there and mobilize like political parties. Thina sikhuluma izwi. Uma umnikazi wayo lento eyizwa, changes immediately. So lento ilanda abanikazi bayo. If you are not ready to hear it, ngakuyizwe. Kepha umoya usondeza uqoqa bonke abanikazi ukuthi kube yibo who lead this thing. Ngoba there's no point ukuthi ugcwalise ibhasi kanti ugcwalise ibhasi nje ibhasi umswahla nje wabantu. Bayakuhlupha lendleleni kufana nemidlwembe ufake ibhasi ugcwele imidlwembe. Menifika la niyakhona, hayi balijikisa ibhasi le. Senambile ngaleso sikhathi. Yingakho umoya mele usefe. If you don't belong, ungezi vele. And ngeke uze vele because akusona isikhathi sakho. Manje ke makhehla sizobonga uma-art ngoba kuthiwa uma-art umthethokazi. What do we mean ukuthi uma-art umthethokazi? It means ukuthi every order and structure in the world siphuma kuyo uma-art. Even ukuzungeza kwama-planets, babizani ukuthi the ecliptic a path of the planets. This is what was determined by uma-art. Remember ukuthi uma-art umvelincane. Uma-art umvelincane. Umvelincane ubeka i-order through uma-art. Umvelincane communicates the will through uJehuti. So kulabo ke abafikayo ngicela ukuniwelcome amakhehla. Mesikhuluma ngabo Jehuti abo ma-art. Asikhulumi ngabantu abake baphila emhlabeni. Sikhuluma ngemimoya le sithi are eternal principles. that were there in the beginning of time. Lethina esithi amadlozi. Remember ukuthi kunomehluko between itongo nedlozi. So idlozi is eternal. Idlozi uMa'at. Idlozi uJehud. Idlozi uSahmed. Udlozi uSet. Those are eternal principles that make, our makeup. Ibody yakho is constituted by these principles. So mawukhuluma ngoMa'at, we are not talking about something which is le. Ukhuluma ngento engaphakathi kuwena. So that should be understood ukuthi uma silandela umthetho kaMa'at, silandela izulu itself. We are following in nature. Asikhulumi ngomthetho kaNtsingiza. Umthetho kaNtsingiza ngeke usebenze ngoba umthetho wenyama. Umthetho esiwulandelayo umthetho of the universe. When the universe creation started, wabekwa umthetho kuqala ukuthi everything that should be created or that will be created, it will follow this law. It's a natural law. Elandelo amafish, inyoni, and everything else except abantu. Why have we disconnected? Why have we disconnected from nature? We disconnected from nature. Why? Because of evilness. Abantu that wanted to control us and who are still controlling us today. Basilethela yonke le mihlobo ukuze bafeze injongo zabo. That is how we disconnected. But ama-Africa njengoba ngibengisho, during the reign of the great empire of Kemet, there was harmony in Africa. There was harmony. Ngakho abelungu came from all corners of the world to come and learn from Africa. Why? Because there was harmony. Besihamba ngoMa'at, bongagadwa. There was no need for amajele. Shokuthi wena bowusjudge yourself usifake ejele wena self. That was the highest order that we upheld as African people. So manje mesizama ukwenza lezinto, sizama ukubuyela lapho, whereby we are reconnecting the nature and disregard lemithetho yasemhlabeni, especially imithetho that were not drafted by us, that we should reject. General Constitution about isiloko, we must protect the Constitution. Who drafted the Constitution? The first constitution in the world, the Constitution eyadraftwa amakhosi. So mangikhuluma lapha eUNISA in one of the conferences, ngibuza ukuthi la eUNISA, why ningafundisi about the first constitution? All you are teaching people to master is a constitution leya. It has nothing to do with us. Ubutsotsi ababenza to justify everything embi abayenza lakithi. Batshontsha ihlaba inkomo, batshontsha umhlaba, batshontsha yonke into. Then the next thing, they then draft the constitution to protect themselves, not for us. How many black people are happy with this constitution? Okutiwa, it's the darling of the whole world. Vele is true. It's darling of the whole world because it protects the interests of Belung. And the Natige foolishly, we are following in that, situation. So, I'm so happy. I'm so happy nje ukuthi umoya ulokho uyembula, uyareveala all the time. And thina ke we are aware ukuthi yini okumele siyenze for all these seasons. Njengamanje we need to rebuild. But what are we rebuilding? Usethu ubhidlizile siyavuma. yini lewile ngesizini kaSeth? Isystem yamanga yesikhehla iwile, and akekho umuntu that can claim ukuthi ibiswe yimi. Umoya khehla. The way izinto zenzakale ngakhona. Umoya is calling us. Umoya is calling on us ukuthi sishintshe from our ways. But manje, are we going to do that? A misreading of a situation that happened in the country. Yiyo zosifaka enkingeni kakhulu. Ngoba abantu balokho bakhomba abanye abantu bathi ama-criminals. Umuntu mama omdala yazi inhliziyo yami yababuhlungu ukuthi how can a state turn our own mothers into criminals? Abantu baye lapha bayothatha ngoba baswele. Kwenzakalani if you are depriving your own people of the means of make a living? We are bavalela all the time. Look at what has happened. In response to what Umbhidlizi has done, foolishly our government responds by deploying an army. An army that they say is going to cost 600 million. What would that money do? If no mali leyo azange inikezwe lamasotsha azosibulala, yafakwa into a fund that will kickstart the economy of our townships and rural areas, what would happen to that? So uyabona ukuthi umoya ukhuluma ebantwini that are still trapped in the ego. Instead ukuthi baride i-situation ukuthi umoya uthini and respond accordingly. Bona responda the negative way. It means ukuthi lento yenzakele is guaranteed to happen again until we are free. What would that freedom mean? It means ukuthi kahle into kumele yenzakale, which we need to rebuild. Our politicians, they've got to surrender power. They've got to surrender power. Kuhlalwe phansi namakhosi namakhosikazi. Kufonywe something new that will be based on us. Hayi lento lokho kuya importwa the Roman Dutch law yonke lento le, because sibuswa yilo mthetho wase Europe. Asike sizehliseni, and uma lento ingenzakali, le country is going to burn. Ubab Credo ushilo ubab Credo ukuthi uma singalungisi la kumele silungise khona. And it's such a simple thing lento le. Ukubiza amakhosi namakhosikazi kubeke ilabantu boma politician whatever kuhlalwe phansi. How do we move forward as a collective? Because into esemqoka is to make sure ukuthi umuntu omnyama is well taken care of. This is what Ma'at is trying to tell us. Ukuthi, what do we need to rebuild? We need to rebuild impilo yomuntu omnyama. Remember, umuntu omnyama spiritually weak, socially weak, economically weak. In your own country, it's a shame. Ihlazo. Huh? Abantu abaphuma ngaphandle, they are even richer than you. Bese ke bathi wena uyavilapha ingakho ku-import abantu from all over the world to come and do the work. Kanti ayikho yonke lento kusikhohlisa. Into nje, they don't want to see us waking up as African people and re-embrace ourselves, because that is a threat to them. Just ukwazi ukuthi when you are the firstborn, you were the first to be created. It's a threat to them. Why? Because bayazi ukuthi bayingane bangamaqili njengoSeth kepha ngesizulu ukuthiwa alikho iqile likhothe emhlane man alikho manje sekufike kwangqingetshe la kumele si-address lento in 94 we deferred this thing kunokuthi si-address ngempela and honestly we deferred that decision sasitshela nje ukuthi let's make these people comfortable bangahambi ngoba mebengahamba sizolamba indlala kwenzakaleni kule 2 weeks akulanjwa akithi siyaphila sithole indlela zokuzibhakela isinkwa in our small ovens we are then able to bake our own bread it means ukuthi umphetho nje yonke lento le ukuthi silokho sincenga labantu ukuthi babe la in the country ayiwe lento ayiwe let it fall so that we are able to build again and masakha manje sizobe sakha ikhaya lethu our real home abantu were laughing at Zimbabwe bathi Zimbabwe hey Zimbabwe kwenzakalani eZimbabwe bahluphekile nje just for a while but into esemqoka they own their country they own their land you can't say that about us bamangele le Nigeria ukuthi hey manje abantu eSouth Africa kwenzakalani because we thought ukuthi 94 had ushered in a new dispensation. There's no new dispensation. It was all a lie. We went back. Sapenda yashi labelungu elimhlophe salplenda back. Just to hide the real color of our system. Now imvuliyana. Seyabonakala ngathi zebra lento le. Lama khala langa ayabonakala ukuthi yashela imhlophe leli kepha thina silipende black so le hashi mele silishintshe akusamelanga sambe ngubani uJamloti lo maphunu mele sihambe nga somebody else manje elinye hashi and enye into mele siphume lapha eParliament nasePitori ngoba kula sicindezelwa khona kakhulu ubusa njani lePitori where they were plotting your death how do you rule there le Parliament is even worse the Masons have their temple under iParliament manje ungitshela ukuthi labantu bazohluze kanjani la emakhanda balokho bathandazelwa nje ukuthi bayenze iconfusion la phezulu kumele siphume remember ukuthi uLendoza hey this evil person lo mlungu lo bani lo gcine angqotshwa le Zimbabwe uRhodes evilness man yebo uRhodes he's the one who chokuthi unika amabhunu that side bokuyisite yama Freemasons. He was the head of the Freemasons himself. uRhodes. Amabhunu angena lapha. Remember ukuthi amabhunu were not in control. Amabhunu were managers of the British people. All decisions they had to make in terms of the constitution, they had to consult with the Britain. Yinto senzeka namhlanje. Bonke from Mutata, when he took over, first went to Britain and America to go and assure them that I'm not going to touch the constitution. Namhlanje uZuma nje lapha ubuya lapha naye. Bonke no Ramaphosa ubuya le. Manje ke abaholi abanjani esothi abaholi beAfrica lapha. We can't say that ukuthi these are our leaders. And not only in South Africa, throughout the whole continent. It's the same strategy. Abelungu abasifake kuso. manje ke Makhehla uma sikhona ukuthi sihlangane ngalendlela imikhuleko yethu iyazwakala. That I would want to guarantee you, whatever we are doing, whatever we are saying, ngisho nazo lamahubo esiwaculayo, kunini siloko sicula lehubo ukuthi wanyakaza umkhonto ndabezitha, kwenzakalani manje? I-fulfillment yaleyo nto. You keep warning people ukuthi impi sesangweni. Abayiboni leyo nto leyo. Izwe mele lize libhubhe before they listen. So manje ke Makhehla, I'm sure I can say it with confidence ukuthi labantu bonke abanasabelo salendo, that is why bangayitholanga ebusheni babo. Abanasi isabelo ngoba mawunesabelo sento uzwa u-OR Tambo noTata uMandela, they went to Egypt and they commented about the greatness of an African person. But mebefika la abasibuseli le bahamba bayophusha lento yeingana belungu. They knew very well. And the Hayuti movement yet don't know about this truth. But because abo Rupert nabo Oppenheimer abayizwisisi lento, then because ingazwisiswa ilabelungu, then thina we must suffer. What type of a leader is that? Cabanga mina ngithatha ingane yami ngithi, hey, faka isandla sakho lapha emlilweni. Ubani lo wenziswa kanjalo uShaka sumbopha? Kwathiwa sondela mbopha kachapha. Awufake lapha isandla emlilweni. Ilida yenza njalo ithini? Ngoba you are telling your children to burn themselves. Why when ongeke uze uvumele the will of nature to actually take over? Because that is what we are talking about. Remember ukuthi ubukhosi is what should be a mirror of what is above. Unomkhubulwane nomvelinqangi are represented emhlabeni inkosi nenkosikazi. But manje if inkosi nenkosikazi abasahambi ngomthetho ngomgomo walendo, they are also useless. Meaning ukuthi i-betrayal yethu, it's not only politicians but amakhosi themselves, because they have been coerced by these politicians. Sebe khuluma ipolitiki, sebe act ipolitiki in everything that they do. So manje when we are trying to rebuild, meaning ukuthi sine task thina esesindlule kulendlela ukuthi siyobahabulisa wona lamakhosi namakhosikazi, because they have forgotten the past. They think ukuthi ukuhlala kwabo lapha into the throne, on the throne, is just for a privilege. Let me be served by my subjects. It's not about that. It's about you being the servant. Yingakho kuthiwa inkosi ingane. Because we are uthunywa umvelinqangi nomkhubulwane ukuthi usebenzele lesizwe, not yourself. And bafunani, all they want ukuthi just bring consciousness yale ingane back to us, so that sizokhona ukusivutheleleke as the source of life. Manje ke makuthiwa uyinkosi namhlanje, all you think about ama Rolls Royce, ama Palace. You think about all the nice things. Irole yakho ukuthi usitshele ngoba kuthiwa umlomo wenkosi awuqambi manga. Ngoba mawukhulumile undaba ezitha kumele kube njalo injalo khehla yebo wena yingakho nasesigodlweni inkosi akumelanga ihambele izifo ayibonakali la kuma funeral inkosi nenkosikazi why because asifuneli ifu elimnyama over them because they are our light they are the light of the nation but manje all that is gone. Well, I'm not, saying anything, but all I know, ukuthi 90% yamakhosi namakhosikazi are Christians. It means ukuthi badelele amakhosi abo, badelele abazali babo ngokuthi nina makhosi alesigodlo asisanithembi. Yingakho sizo importa iJuda libuya lesingalazi silifaka la esigodlweni sesizokhothama kule Juda esingalazi buphi ubukhosi lapho bufile ubukhosi kahle bokumele ngabe lento yakhiwa amakhosana because laba badala bahlele attainted awukwazi nokuthi ngathini they are beyond redemption enye into sebadala vele sebelindele ukuthi bayahamba yingakho bangafuni ukudestabilize their source of comfort igovernment ibanikeza mere 15,000 yini leyo unomhlaba where you can generate $1 million a month but wena ukhetha nje ukuyophaphata einganeni zakho ama subjects akho kumanje lekwaZulu ukuthiwa hey kulindwe uCyril ukuthi azogcoba inkosi uCyril is subject man uCyril is subject akakwazi ukugcoba inkosi uma sibuya emaqinisweni uliphatha njani ikhanda lenkosi uCyril manje because ubukhosi bufile amakhosi athi kithi namhlanje I'm happy to be a constitutional monarch uke wayizwaphi leyo nto umhlolo instead of them being in the forefront of fighting this evil system bona they decided to be part of it for mere gains manini 15,000 cash yini 15,000 labanikezwa yona ebenza ukuthi bathule kangaka nathi mesibabiza ke into our events bathi hey mkhulu siyakuzwa ukuthi thini sakusupporta kepha we don't want to be part of you sicela nje usinvite when there are events amakhosi lawo
izohamba 15,000
injalo a lot of them are my friends I was part of them but why because ngikhuluma lenkulumo bathi hayi siyakusaba wena uzosilambisa wena nithi but makhehla naku nami ngiyaphila ngilambile ngilambe until sonke si unite as black people sibe ama millionaires and billionaires as a collective because that's what we want. That is the future we are trying to build. That is what Umaat wants. The injustice ayibona on a daily basis. Inhlupheko all over townships. Every day. Every day we are being attacked. By putting us in poverty, you are attacking us. And the good thing in Wuti, we can call them to court. The day Ongelendiwa. We can charge them for violating our human rights as black people. You come and impose a system, Guiti. In 1994, they never asked us. They gave us an option. Gutiwa, here's a Western construct. here is a tried and tested system of governance of the continent. They never said that. Sonke besadakwe ile freedom le ngo-94. Sibona utate ephuma lapha. Sakhohlwa yonke lento le ukuthi lisi-introspect. Ukuthi yini le abasinikeza yona. Namhlanje it become clear ukuthi ubutsotsi yonke lento yabo. Ubutsotsi that they will defend. Kunokuthi bakuzwe umuntu omnyama ukuthi uthini. Bakulandela amasoja. Amasoja must come and maim you in your own country for demanding justice, man. What type of evilness are these people? Is it nice ukuthi uvuke ekseni? Awazi nokuthi ingane yakhe izodlani. Yini leyo nto leyo? And there you are. You know, when all the things that are, you know, necessary and possible. Ukuthi you must put food on the table. Futhi thina siwes. We are blacklisted everywhere. Akho government office that wants to engage us at all. Because we are seen as an enemy. If ngabe leyo nto beyenziwa umlungu, I would understand. But yenziwa umuntu wakithi. Mina nalabantu thina nalabantu, we are one thing. Why sihlukene in terms of perception? It's because others are perpetuating a lie to gain comfort in the medium term. Tina, we want a long-term solution for Mdomnyama, where everybody has got a chance. If wena udlala iflute, you must know ukuthi a majority of black people are going to support you in whatever you do. If wena ushanyela the best itrati, sizoqasha kube huo shanyela itrati and take care of itrati, that tender goes to you. Hey, so this is part of rebuilding. Uma ataifunayo lagiti. Last week in Kulume, a simple thing. Ipara ma clinic, ne police station. All the police stations, they consume billions of products a year. But that money goes out. Ipara on its own can form so many home industries. About the consumables that they buy from white people every year. Then they complain ukuthi akunamsebenzi. Who said ukuthi sifuna umsebenzi? Asifuna umsebenzi. We want to work for ourselves. We want to create, we want to manufacture. At home. Injalo ke. We don't have to go and hire a big office here. Le charity leli is more than enough. Ukuthi si produce izinto la that will support ipara. And ngikhuluma kanje, ngeke nga-approach i-TTI, Trade and Industry, about the very same thing. Before corona comes to South Africa, I was engaging i-trade and industry. Ukuthi look, nilokho nikhala ukuthi abantu abamnyama abanamsebenzi. Nithi kubo, give us opportunity ukuthi all the masks, bengazi ukuthi kuzi corona, all the masks, every consumable lapha esibhedlela, ningasayithengi from other people. You know what they said to me? That can be possible because we don't take decisions. Our decisions are taken at a provincial level. And the more figure at a provincial level, labantu, they've got contracts nabelu who are already supplying them. Meaning ukuthi the money must still flow out of our communities. Imali that is supposed to circulate amongst us in these, townships. Remember ukuthi townships, history yayo yini. These were dormitories. We're not supposed to be living in this hellhole. These were dormitories for abelungu. When they wanted labor to come and dig the mines, they started, these horrible places. But manje wena as a new government, what do you say about that? You are proud. Yeah, you build more dormitories. And the futhi namabhunu bebuilda izindlu ezingcono. Lezi ezibhilwa abantu bethu, they crack in just 2 years. And ezincane. Amadometi wena ke. Hey, manje they are saying umuntu omnyama must continue. Abekezele bathi bekezela uzuyofa. Ulokhu ufisa ukuthi hey ngabe nami bengiphila njengo Rupert. Ubani uRupert? Who's Oppenheimer? Huh? Labantu sibasithathela phezulu namhlanje. Ngikutshela ukuthi makufona uOppenheimer le kuSiril utatazele ithi ukufona uShabangu nje la ekhaya athi hey man Cyril ngicela ukuba ngeke. It's the worst criminal. Aba Oppenheimer nabo Rupert bakuphi? They are the darlings of the politicians. Abantu kumele ngabe basejele, abekejele, bangaphandle. How much of our resources have been stolen by these people? Just calculate Anglo-American. How much gold was stolen by Anglo-American? To a point ukuthi manje they are reporting ukuthi gold is finished in South Africa. But what do you have to show wena muntu omnyama to your child ukuthi there was once gold in South Africa? You have nothing to show because of late Gebengu or Rupert nabo Oppenheimer. Lezi labantu abahlonipha ngalendlela. Huh? Namhlanje unesibindi sokutshela abantu and threaten them ukuthi I can bring down the economy of South Africa. He can vele because he owns half of South Africa. Uvuka kuseni ugeza ngensipho ya lesela leli. Uyalala ebusuku udla ukudla kwalesela. Huh? It means ukuthi yonke le wealth abayitshontsha kithi, they are now using it to control us. And our politicians ayabavumela man. Huh? Yibo abantu bokumele balahlelwe ejele right ngo94. Kuhambe kuyolandwa wonke ama-assets that they stole from here. Kuthiwa South Africa is suffering. Tina we are wealthy. Sibuswa nje imiswahla yabantu. You can't think. Look at what they did after 94 about Trevor Manuel Nabotat. They allow Abo Anglo and all these criminals that stole our resources to go and make the first listing in London. The primary listing of these people is in London. Meaning ukuthi bakhiphe wonke imali. It's no longer in South Africa. It's in London. Then bayakhala, hey, akunamali South Africa to invest. But you allowed abelungu ukuthi bakhiphe imali. Manje ngitsheleke ukuthi future ke ma project future with all this that is happening. Abuse that we go through as black people. Engaka abuse. Huh? Yini ukuthi ebahlulayo ukuthi ba riskeke i500 billion kunokuthi basidlele yona emasayidini bayitshale la kuma rural areas and townships. The face of townships and rural areas can change in such a short space of time. But they won't do that. Yingakho sithi thina asisayingeni indaba yabo. All we do sesiyabaphahlela. Sifuna lo moya udile nabo manje. Ngoba bezwa kunini sikhuluma. Mina, I've got more than 20 years. No Mamwini, no Zinzi, sikhuluma the same thing. Kulabantu. Umamwini no Zinzi baze bashona. Bangabalaleli. Instead, Baba ostracizer. As if izimvu ezimnyama amongst the white sheep. Huh? Kujoyina even our politicians to actually criticize uMamwini noZinzi. Manje ungitshele ukuthi labantu wena ke ufana nami bazokuzwa. They won't listen to you. Yingakho kumele uthumele umoya. Umoya ukuba tsipe kancane. Hey. Umoya uba tsipe. Balokho ba shukuma bangazi ukuthi bashukumiswa yini. Hey. So yingakho ke sikhuluma noma athi. Ngoba thina lo moya siyawazi uyaphila. Masi lokho siucela. Uyazi into bengithukela nje kakhulu ukuthi as much as bokuluthwa kepha ingozi abayiboni ukuthi ibheke kubona. The second level yalento kuyogijima ama politicians namathayi. Sibabone bagijima la estradini bagijimiswa abantu sebekhathele yibo. I-abuse from them. I mean umuntu omnyama reaches a certain level ukuthi ngeke sikhathele manje. We can't transfer lenhlupheko einganeni zethu. Ingane zethu must grow up in money. Emalokishini kuhamba ama-Arara, ama-Ferrari. Kube yinto ya every day. Why? Because we own the economy. Manje uyabona maybe lokho ba perpetuate lento yabo. It means ukuthi basi we are shokuthi we are doomed to die in poverty. And ingane zethu are doomed to grow up in poverty. Why? Because of a black person. South Africa is rich. South Africa has everything. Inelanga inama-minerals inayo yonke into. But umuntu omnyama ezweni lakhe can enjoy those things. Sebevale nama-beach. Kunama-beach akungena umuntu omnyama. Huh? Segregation has gone that far. Ubani obavumelayo? Kuthiwa uShaka ngabe beke saphila. Ngabe yikho yonke lento yenzakalayo la. Ngabe yikho yonke lento beyenzakala. uMakhado ngabe beke saphila. uMantatisi ngabe beke saphila. Ngabe yikho yonke lento. Saba neshwa ukuthi siholwa abantu aba-weak man. Weak people who allow foreigners ukuthi bazenzele in our own country. Asa blame umlungu manje. Umlungu akusaseyinkinga even though we know we control the strings behind. But wena muntu omnyama uvumelani. Why do you agree to sit on a position that you know very well we are not going to deliver on? Instead, you are just going to perpetuate the poverty of our people. That's evilness. Evilness. Wazi kahle ukuthi buka i-reaction yabo. Injust ukuzwa nje ukuthi kuyaluthwa. Bakhipha 600 million to bring in the soldiers. Into ngabe bayipreventile ukuthi yenzeke. Bakhipheke layo 600 million. Sibabone bangene emakasi and empowering people. They don't do that. Instead, they want to maim us. But iniphinde lento niyenzile. So nibulala nonke. Abazi ukuthi sebedila nomoya manje. Wabona amaphoyisa bebambeke kanjani. Bengazi ukuthi bayini. Babanjwe lo moya. Yilo moya, the winds of change are here. But amaphoyisa beyothithibele. Futhi now they were joining in looting. I've never seen anything like that. Hey, after lapho, security cluster. That was the worst for me. lo ukhomba lo ukhomba lo ukhomba lo. Awazi nje ukuthi abantu abanga understand umoya ukuthi izinto zomoya zenzakala ngalendlela. Zikushaya ube confused. Yikho ngithi abantu abamnyama, all we have to do ukubambana, let us unite. Yeah, that's one thing engithandile ngalento yenzakele. I heard a lot of black people saying politic ayime sideways. Angisayifuni politic. All I want is to see a unity of black people. Because that's what we want. Sihlangane. Now amaJuda manje yahlangene in our own country. Bagcina benzani? Basishanga embambaya. Sidujula amandiya la in our own country. Because of their unity. Tina, we are so divided. Instead ukuthi sithile nalama criminal amandiya senzani, we are protecting them. Nangu Lenduza minister waya lapha. I've never seen him so weak. Waya lapha athi yo resolve lento yase Phoenix. Umbona nje ukuthi uthatha side lo muntu. Ngabe lento beyenzakale la elokishini sibulala amandiya. Yare. Besizo rejwa ngama hippo 1000. Why? Because kufe umuntu omnyama. They don't care. Instead nje uyababona balokho baba, you know, very comfortable nalamandiya. Bafuna ukuwanikeza comfort. Even if lamandiya kuyiwona abulela abantu. There was no justification for lento abayenzile. Uzweke nomntwana inkosi mangoSuthu epraise lamandiya. Ukuthi lamandiya enze kahle to mobilize and unite themselves and protect themselves. Manje amagama anjalo abhlungu. Abhlungu kuzwa nje ama leaders ethu, the way they articulate. It means impilo yomuntu omnyama is still ayina worth. So you must never ulokhu uzikhohlisa nje ukuthi there's anything good that will come out of this so-called democracy, which is a lie. Amanga yonke lento Republic of South Africa, it must fall. Yinto kumele iwe. That is why the economic side of it was tested. Kwenzakala lento yenzakele. It was destroying the system. Umoya was destroying the system. So ngiyacela ke makhehla ukuthi ngicela silokho siphusha ivangeli le unity amongst black people. We must be united, and one of the good instrument to unite us, it's our own calendar. As we celebrating our new year as a collective together. Ngoba all the time siloko si witnessa amandiya, ama-China, ama-Juda celebrating their new years in our own country. As if Tina, we don't have that day. Yes, we don't. As per the politicians. Why? Because umlungu uthe new year ingo January. Stupid enough, our politicians don't calculate and look at nature. Remember ukuthi ngesizulu uDecember uzibandlela is the month of maturity. And the next month but new year. How do you start the year when everything is matured? Foolishness. You don't question because kushumlungu. Manje yizo-ke izinto mele siyibukisise-ke lezi makhehla. Hayi ukuthi siyaxeka nje makhehla for the sake of ukuxeka. Ukuthi nje sesikhathele. We've reached the limit. Siloko si-abuse abelungu nabantu abamnyama. Who are the managers of white economy? Kunokuthi badedele lento iwe sakhe kabusha. We will be much better. Kunabodakhe bathi hey mokungahamba umlungu la sohlupheka. Oh no, abazi lutho labo bantu. They must know ukuthi we are the first people to introduce civilization emhlabeni. And that knowledge, yokhokho, is still there for us to access. If only we change our consciousness. Ungalokhu ubheke mina can never be the source of that. But in nature is the source of that knowledge. So manje mawubuyela back to nature, we are able to access this knowledge again. Singa rebuild Africa ibe one of the best continents in the world. If only we can reconnect back to nature. Singalokho silandela foolishly njengezimvu, huh? Foolishly. So thina sesiyazi ukuthi the real Christmas inini, the real New Year inini. So into engiyithandazelayo nje ukuthi unity, black unity. Black unity yiyo ezosikhipha kuyo yonke lenkinga. And sikhulume with one voice. Ungezi wena ukuthi no wena umuntu waseRoma, umunye athi waseZion, umuntu wase church. That time is out. Uzongitshela ukuthi wena uyi-ANC, mina ngiyi-IFP or ngiyi-EFF. Sikudlulile leso sikhathi. Yisikhathi manje sokuthi sibeke konke, everything that divides umuntu omnyama must be pushed aside. And we all fight for this black unity. Because that black unity will give us the resources. Uzwa Makhehla. If just we can manage, balokho bavala, bathi corona. If we can manage ukugcwalisa nje stadium, singabantu abamnyama si celebrate our new year. Uzwani la, imali will follow us. We won't go cap in hand, siyoqela. If we can just demonstrate that unity, money will follow us because people will realize ukuthi mebengayigibeli le train bazosala. That's all we need to do, Makhehla, especially youth. Work towards conscientizing other youth people. Asibuyeleni back to nature. Singalokho sizwa abantu bazoshaya nje la all the time, basithembisa all sorts of things. Kunini movement ilokhu ikhona. Ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi kunzima kangako nje ukuthi ufake enough money la elokishini, ha? Ukuthi ilokishi must be self-sufficient. Kube nama manufacturing concern ekas. Can it really take people 50 years? Wazi kahle ukuthi labantu badla impuphu, ishukela, iflour, yonke all the staple food that we eat on a daily basis. That is where government should have started to build black economy. Because there's no black economy. PE and PE, you can't say black economy. Those are shares that belong to white people. They will also go back and revert back to them. But if you are encouraging abantu abamnyama to be self-sufficient, bazikhiqizele, manufacture everything they eat or consume, then you've liberated the people. Yini into enzima lapho? Huh? I mean, the 500 billion enyamalele nje safunda ngayo nje kancane ephepheni, that was the last. Ngabe leyo mali yafakwa la. Ngabe sikhuluma ukuthi iSoweto manje i-challenger is sentient in terms of development. But my project are based on leadership ekhona. 50 years will come, Soweto will still be like this. If singavuki and unite. Project and independently. Uzobona ukuthi 50 years will come, Soweto will still be like this. If we don't change, get in. Which is why we need to put politics aside. Asithi abantu bahlukane with their political homes. But sithi akube nebhodo elihlanganisa umuntu omnyama outside politics. That is what we need. hlala ube yi-FF ube yi-PAC ube whatever but kukhona la kumele sihlangane khona la sithi uyabona la sikhuluma ngobumnyama your cap ye-ANC isale gating your cap ye-Lentuza isale gating sikhuluma ngomuntu omnyama and all you have to do ukuthi ukhumbuze umuntu ukuthi ubani the greatness of an African person and uzobe umkhumbuza ngoba yonke lento it's not something new lento esikhulumayo it's in your DNA mntu omnyama lento esikhulumayo uyazi kahle all we are doing is to remind you ukuthi kwakunje before the colonizers came to the continent. So let's go back to that greatness. Sihlanganisa ama-building la emhlabeni with the stars. That's science, man. Highest level of science. Huh? For you to understand ukuthi all these multiple elements abakhuluma ngazo azikho. There's only one element in our universe which is hydrogen. Imagine if you were taught that to say ingane. You'll be a scientist. At the age of 15, you are gone, man. Now learn the education system which has to change. Ukuthi ulokhu foster into from outside inside. Into senza idomu. Because ufosa ngifunde into from outside. Instead of concentrating into engizelwe ngifumbathile. Ukuthi what is your gift wena? And polish that. Thokozani Maketa, uyazi ngiyanxusa because you know I see a brighter future for umuntu omnyama. Yes kunzima manje. Kunzima but umoya uyasilwela. That's one thing you must know. Umoya uyasilwela and very soon we will realize the unity esidingayo. And that will be the end of our poverty. So ngiyacela Makhehla asitshaleni lento le. Asitshaleni sabalale the whole country. I know ukuthi you know we have abantu all over the country now who are watching us from Limpopo and Natal everywhere. You know in the Transkei everywhere. Sizwa nge-response nje yabantu. eBloemfontein. Hawu ugogo la namhlanje. Usukele eBloemfontein wathi no ngila physically namhlanje. Manje siyacela ke Makhehla asiphusheni lento. And uzwake. Umuntu ongakuzwa dlula. Ungamconvince umuntu. Khuluma nje one sentence. Mengakuzwa uthi baba Khehla sharp. Ngoba uzozithola waste isikhathi. Asikafiki isikhathi sakhe lo muntu. Remember sithe lento ilanda abantu bayo. Ma umuntu wayo one sentence is enough. Uba nentshisakalo la ngaphakathi ukuthi yini lento. Itholakala kuphi lento. How can I get more? So if umuntu akakuzwa dlula ugeza izandla bathi njengobani eBhayibhelini. Pilato bani? Dlula ugeza izandla ushukelele phezulu. So ngiyacela ke Makhehla ukuthi na ikhalenda. Ikhalenda i-neutral. Ikhalenda i-nature. And ikhalenda siyihaba. Ikhalenda ikhuluma ngokuthi what energy is prevalent at a what particular time. And that is caused by the proximity of the sun and earth and the degree. Ukuthi umhlaba wethu mawuzungeza around the sun. This is the energy ever prevalent. Maula, this is the energy. So that is what we call aboma abo Jehuti. Zonke lezo zinto. The prevalence of the energy at a particular season. So let us embrace back our calendar. Remember ukuthi le calendar. Ile calendar besihamba ngayo before colonialism happened. Besihamba ngale calendar. Yingakho when you go back, your researcher in your own language. uzibuze ukuthi le inyanga if umuntu okhuluma isiXhosa le nyanga le kaSeptember ibizwana ngesisuthu ibizwana ngesivenda ibizwana all you'll find ukuthi all of them they talk about the beginning of a new cycle all of them ngesisuthu ngesizulu sithi umandulo meaning ukuthi we going back from where we started from ngesixhosa yini inyanga yomsinzi hey umsinzi the coral trees yini hey there are those trees ezivela when it is spring nature hey all of us were talking about what we see in nature hey like unhlolanja February izinja zenzani vele angithi vele izinja ziyaganga at that time hey so bezihlolwa vele so go back ubuze ekhaya konje calendar yethu besihamba ngayo before abelungu bazokutshela ukuthi nayi calendar and leyo calendar uzwa ine science why because okhokho bethu without a calculation they understood the equinoxes and the solstices uDecember reflects isummer solstice and the bathi uZibandlela is the month of maturity because utshani sebukhulile you no longer see the pathways so it makes sense let us re-embrace calendar makhehla la awukhulumi nge-religion ukuthi wena usontaphi wena ungena kuphi politically awukhulumi it's neutral it's talking about nature our revolution around the sun this is what okhokho bethu bebethandaza lokho bathi sithanda lezi ithixo hey maybe sibona lapha sine image ka Sekhmet or sine image ka Lentuza because uSekhmet mesazi ukuthi inyanga ka Sekhmet you know we would then put the image ka Sekhmet emsamo to remind ourselves ukuthi this is the degree vis-a-vis earth and sun energy prevalent hile and what are the characteristics of that energy. That is what we understood. Oh, Koko Bethu were scientists. Hey, when they said the creator of Kamata, or Bati the creator of Mvelingani, they were talking about the first cause, the first atom before any other creation. They called to atom. Then abelungu because by lenduza benzani. They plagiarize. Balithatha leyo atom bayimenzani atom. From Adam ba plagiarize more. Labe religion bathi Adam. From atom to atom. Same thing. But you gave birth to it when I'm domnyam. Umlungu lokho we are plagiarize nje all the time. Yini into esungule umlungu esiyaziyo? Into siyaziyo esungule umlungu yi distraction. They are destructive by nature. Everywhere they went, they maimed and killed people. Manje sizositshela ukuthi but what happens again? You know, physically when there is a child head at home. Akubi igent house leyo. Yonke into nje yenzakala lapho. Yinto esikuyo manje sibuswa ingane zethu. Ingane amahlonga ndlebe kumele siyishaye izinqelezi ukuthi hey wena ulahla umthetho na umthetho la. Instead thina silandela bona foolishly. Umlungu ngeke asifundise anything. Umlungu ingane kithi. You can't be taught by a white person unless you are ignorant of yourself. Uzobona hey Einstein kuna Einstein la. Einstein was inspired by your ancestor Imhotep. But they will never tell you the truth. He was inspired by Amunhotep. All the ancient scientists, Babu Credo Laba, always spoke that language. Ubab Credo minangiti, I believe, a manifestation ga Imhotep. If you were to compare life ka Bab Credo ne life ka Imhotep, similarities. Same WhatsApp group. Abantu who never bowed down to umthetho weingane. Zosaba ingane umlungu. Kumanje nje sisaba nokuya lapha eSentini. Silutha la elokishini. The way we are so messed up. Abelungu siyabasaba namhlanje. Why? Because sikhule sazi ukuthi umlungu uNkulunkulu. Because of that picture uyibona every day kaJesu ebondweni. You are associating uJesu nomlungu. Therefore umlungu uNkulunkulu wakho. Yingakho usamsaba namhlanje. You would rather kill your own brother kunokuthi udile and discipline umlungu. So ngiyacela ke makhehla. Into engicela unity. Na instrument, calendar. This is the only instrument that has unite. Any other thing has divide. And we need that unity for us to move out of this poverty that we find ourselves in. Not only the physical poverty, but the poverty of the mind. When you are ignorant of yourself, that is the poverty of the mind. If ungazazi ukuthi wena you are the first scientist, you are the first mathematician, you are the first builder, you are the first mason. You should know that. Thokozani guys.
Another round of applause for Mkhulu. Siyabulela Mkhulu. Siyabulela Mkhulu. Today I wanted to actually to do the inyanga sithi ntoni the nomkhubulwane and umvelenqangi, because I'm trying to say okay umkhulu ngoku makapheze. And I wanted to stand and we can feel both the energies that we are. But thank you so much Mkhulu. We really appreciate your passion. As you were saying that, if we follow the calendar is our spirituality, is to understand